So if nobody's freezing out, I can tell you a little about the food storage. That's kind of a neat way that they do that, because think about feeding us all winter, and we're probably storing up enough food for 2 winters, because if you have a crop failure, you're out of luck. There's nowhere else to go. Walmart's still 1,000 years away. So if your family don't have everything you need, you're in trouble. But we think they would grow their crops down on the floodplains where the soil's richer, and plant them in circles, plant corn and beans and squash, the sister crops, all together, because they help each other grow. Corn provides the poles for the beans to vine up. Beans are enriching the soil. We know it's nitrogen nowadays, makes the corn grow better. Squash vines out in a big circle that provides protection, so the raccoon and deer and squirrels aren't so apt to wade through there and eat up your corn. So we probably grow more food value per acre than we do with our big equipment. But to store this type of soil, again, you can dig pits in the ground. They're called cache pits, and they're not going to collapse. This soil type is very important for this style of life. So they dig a hole that's about as big as around as the outside circle of this rocks. It goes down for maybe 1.5 feet, bells out 3 or 4 foot wide, maybe 6 or 8 foot deep. They line that cache pit with grass and bark, and then they circle a circle of corn that still has the husk on it around the outside. In the middle, they put the loose grains, dry corn, dry beans, dry sunflower seeds. All those store well, like we said earlier. In the very middle, they would dehydrate pumpkins and squash. Anything that had a high water content, they cut it in strips and dehydrate it for winter storage. So you put that dehydrated stuff in the middle. They fill up that storage pit to the bottom of that nick. They seal that off with grass and bark. The nick itself they fill with campfire ashes. Then they seal it off again. Any mice happen to dig down through there, they get in those campfire ashes, they can't breathe, they can't see, they're not going to dig down and find your food storage. So you might have 6 or 8 of them right here in the house. It'd be sealed over, you'd be able to walk across them, making sure you have that food, so probably only one of them would be open at a time.